Welcome back, IELTS 8.8. Today we're unlocking the secrets to acing a topic that appears in almost every exam cycle, reading books.
That's right. While most candidates settle for "I like reading," standing out requires crafting responses that showcase sophisticated vocabulary and natural fluency. Let's dive straight in.
So, to kick things off, how often do you actually get the chance to sit down with a book?
Well, to be perfectly honest, with my rather hectic schedule, I don't get to devour books as frequently as I'd like. However, I make it a point to allocate at least an hour each evening to immerse myself in a good story. It's my personal ritual to unwind and escape the daily grind.
Daily grind. I love that expression. And what genre do you typically gravitate towards?
I'm quite eclectic in my tastes, but if I had to pinpoint a favorite, I'd say I have a particular predilection for historical fiction. I find it utterly captivating how authors can breathe life into bygone eras, making history feel incredibly immediate and personal. It's not just entertainment, it's an enriching experience.
Absolutely. It sounds like you enjoy literature that offers both knowledge and narrative depth. Now, a quick question for our viewers. What book is currently gracing your nightstand? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your recommendations.
Fantastic question. Now, tell me, have you always been an avid reader, or is it a habit you cultivated later in life?
That's an insightful question. I wouldn't say I was a bookworm from birth. In my formative years, I was much more inclined toward outdoor pursuits. However, in my early 20s, I started to appreciate the profound perspectives that literature offers. It's a habit I've truly honed over the years, and I'm incredibly grateful for it.
And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the reading topic. Remember, the key is not just what you say, but the precision and range of the language you use.
For more Band 9 strategies and advanced vocabulary, make sure to like this video and subscribe to MS Easy IELTS 8.8. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Keep reading, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.